Welcome back to Woodro's World, everybody. I am your host today. As always, I'm Woodro. Today we are back in the scrap mechanic world, and I am joined once again by my good friend Mr. Damoka in another scrap mechanic challenge. Today we are going to be doing some tree harvesting. We're going to do the first to 5 and see who can get it filled up the fastest. But first, we've got to build, so let's get into it. Alright, you got your build? Oh,
I
he's
think so.
driving it. You know this is a race, right?
Is it?
Yeah, it's the first one to fill up as many... Oh, okay. There you go, look at you. Okay, okay. Thought you was going slow there for a minute. Look at this thing.
No, I gotta be able to grab and turn.
Look at this thing. I don't remember how to go in photo mode here.
This is my thing.
Is it Alt-Z? Yeah, Alt-Z. That's it. Oh, snap. You got some pistons to give it some height. Hey, look. You got switches this time.
I do. And underglow. That's not gonna grab the rocks underneath me.
Okay, you ready?
I'm dying to see yours. What the duck is this? The A-Team fucking van?
Hell yeah, sir.
How you can get this thing in and out? Oh, you got a hole back here you can grab it from.
Yep. So we got that.
All chainsaws.
So it tilts down, and then it tilts down even more.
Get the fuck out of here.
And then, of course, you know, I got the... Wait, what was that? I don't remember what that... Oh, that was suspension lift. It's not very much, but it is a little bit. It's not much.
It's enough if you're on a hill lane. Yeah.
And then I got lights. One with big Cadillac tail lights in the back.
Holy shit.
But the lights in the front don't do
A
shit
team
because they just...
cutter.
They beam
A team
straight into the
tree
back.
cutter.
Okay.
All right, count it down. We have to fill all 4 or all 5, I mean?
Yep, all 5. All right, you ready?
No, well, let's do it.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, there's so many trees. This might be more difficult than I thought. Wait. These trees aren't breakable. What?
Yeah,
You're
these aren't
joking.
ready, I guess?
Yeah, that's good. You ready? Go.
Get it dirty. Oh, my guy's twitching.
Oh, I made it too fast.
Up too.
I made it too fast. Can't control it. Yeah, I made it way too fast. I gotta slow this bitch down. Yeah, that's better.
We're filling up 5 containers. Whoever does it in the fastest time wins. This is pretty much approximately basically what you know about the game and what trees give you off the most wood.
I don't think I'm picking them up no more. I'm not. First one full.
Oh, Noble. How you doing, man? It's been a minute. Welcome back to the stream.
I slowed my truck down and now it's so slow. Like I'm crawling here.
Not bad, not bad. I think I need to do mine because it's not grabbing.
Well, it's a dead even race. Sweet. Second carrier full. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Intimidated and shit.
No. I'm just calling out my progress, man. Your second one's about full. We gotta drop 3 more in it.
About 3 more in there, and I can pull.
Got this little strategy here. It's like swatting flies. It's nice. It's working perfectly.
Wish I could say the same. Number 3 carrier is full.
What? Wish I could say the same. You're over there beating me. It's close though. I just filled 3.
This tree is wicked close. Oh, you lying dog. I saw you take it out already with carrier 3.
Take it out with 4, yeah.
I'm sorry. Let me correct myself.
Number 4 is full.
Did I hear that correctly? Just say there's 4?
Yeah.
We're gonna have half of 4 killed.
It's close. It's neck and neck.
Come on, people. Hype it up. Tell me I'm gonna win.
You got this, Damoka. You got this. Woo! Everyone believes in you.
Oh, he's already on his 5th one.
Yep.
Fuck. I just got 4 in. Well, go heading in with 4. Can I run with it? Is it fast?
Can you run with it? No, that's cheating. Can't run with it. Can't run with your crate, and you can't chop a tree down and weld it somewhere to make it easier to access.
How did that fall off? My fucking crate fell off.
It fell off?
Yeah.
How the hell?
Crate fell off the back there.
Uh-oh, I bottomed my truck out. I bottomed out. I can't get there. That hill is not for me, apparently. I'm at it from a different angle. Got this. We're the A-team van. Oh, shit. Not really sure what happened there, but I just got launched.
Pick up the sticks, damn it.
Huh. Maybe accidentally typing in checks. I hit enter. Oh, I need one more rod, one more rod. And there it is. Yeah. Oh, shit. Nope. I need a whole nother row. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is the part where I'm slacking and he comes back and beats me, chat.
There's no way I'm gonna catch up. You got this one in the bag.
Uh-oh. I got stuck. Dun, 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 dun. That is 5 fully delivered collectors, sir.
Yay! Okay, let's see how many are red in his stack.
A lot.
Yeah, you were after what? 3 red trees and 2 white trees?
Yeah, basically. Well, there you have it. Some tree chopping.
That is some tree chopping.
The
This is a little
A-team
faster.
The A-team van pulls it off. The A-team does it again. Yeah. Well, it's a lot of fun, man.
Oh, I love it, man.
Definitely. We got to come up with some more challenges to do because these builds are cool. I hope you enjoyed today's content. If you don't mind hitting that subscribe button, give me a little thumbs up, dropping a comment, let me know what you thought about today's episode. You can also find Mr. Damoka over there on Twitch, just about daily live. Definitely appreciate you tuning in. This has been Woodro of Woodro's World, reminding you to take care of yourself and each other.